Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to set up OneDrive. So let's dive right in. Click on the Start menu and type in OneDrive. Windows should readily find the program for you. The OneDrive app will launch. If you've already linked OneDrive to your computer, you'll be signed in automatically. If you're new to OneDrive, you'll see a setup wizard to guide you through the process of creating a Microsoft account or signing in with an existing one. OneDrive will typically suggest a default location for your synced files, such as a folder called OneDrive within your user directory. This is a convenient option, but you can also choose a different location that better suits your organizational needs. Once you're happy with the sync folder location, click Next to proceed. OneDrive will give you a final overview of what's about to be synced. If you're ready to get started, toggle on the button next to the files to begin the two-way synchronization process between your computer and OneDrive cloud storage. Now, to visit the OneDrive in File Explorer, click on Open My OneDrive folder. Here, you will find all the files that are uploaded to OneDrive. If the syncing is in process, you will find the option in File Explorer. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.